Welcome guys, I'm here with Jason. We're flying to Okeechobee Paint Center, and let's check our vacuum. It's about 5, that's good. Airspeed is alive, there she goes. Flies great, huh? Simplicity, right?
Yeah.
Look at the...
Oh, we lost suction.
So our suction gauge is showing 0.
That's we're losing.
So our compass now is all we have. Everybody's reporting marginal.
Oh, we were marginal when we left. Look at this in Fort Pierce.
Yeah.
IFR.
Hey guys, what's up? How are ya? Heading to Oshkosh with a stop tonight in Chicago. Today we're going through Gwinnett Airport, Limassol uniform, and then we'll continue after that for Waukegan National Airport. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. That's gonna leave us stranded somewhere.
Alright, so I hope this doesn't become the story for this trip. Failing starter. Tower Sirius November 712 Romeo Alpha is ready, holding short runway 23 ready for departure.
712 Romeo Alpha, turn right heading 320, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
Right heading 320, runway 23, clear for takeoff, 712 Romeo Alpha. Side, bounce clear, other side is clear. We're good. Oil pressure is good, temperature is good. Instruments looking good, airspeed is alive. 70, rotate. Palm Beach departure, good morning Sirius November 712 Romeo Alpha, 320 heading through 1100 for 2000.
Sirius 2 Romeo Alpha, climb and maintain 7,000.
7,000 to Romeo Alpha.
November 20 Golf, turn
So I was doing a climb from 7,000 to 9,000, and all of a sudden that number 1 EGT probe started going nuts. Look at it. It's fluctuating from like low 1200s to mid 1400s. Everything else is looking okay, but there's nothing else that concerns me. I think it's just this probe just went kaput. Oh well. A few more issues to fix. What was that? So I felt a pretty good thump here on the engine. What is going on here? We'll keep an eye on that. And land approach, good afternoon, Sirius November 712 Romeo Alpha with you, level 8000, deviating.
712 Romeo Alpha, land approach, making altimeter 2993. 712 Romeo Alpha, descend and maintain 6,000.
So maintain 6,000 to Romeo Alpha.
Number 712 Romeo Alpha, contact approach 126.907.
Land approach, Sirius November 712 Romeo Alpha, leveling out 6,000, deviating. I'm supposed to go direct sky me to resume the arrival, and I do have information Alpha into Gwinnett.
Sirius 712 Romeo Alpha, Atlanta approach, copy all, Atlanta altimeter 2997, expect RNAV runway 7.
2997, I will expect the RNAV 7 to run up.
With wings.
Yep. That's awesome.
Sirius 2 Romeo Alpha, descend and maintain 4,000.
So maintain 4,000 to Romeo Alpha.
November 2 Romeo Alpha, turn 10 degrees left, expect a vector to the final approach course.
10 degrees left for the final approach course to Romeo Alpha.
November 2 Romeo Alpha, turn left, left heading 210.
You know what, to Romeo Alpha, cancel IFR, I can descend right now and I'll be in VFR.
November 2 Romeo Alpha, IFR cancellation is received, do you have the airport in sight?
Negative, but I will have it once I descend a little bit more below these clouds here to Romeo Alpha. And Atlanta Airport in sight to Romeo Alpha.
2 Romeo Alpha, contact Gwinnett Tower, 124.1, see you next time.
Gwinnett Tower, good afternoon, Sirius November 712 Romeo Alpha is 5.5 miles southwest of the field. 3,000 descending with Alpha inbound, full stop.
So there's a lot of oil underneath. I'm gonna go to these guys about taking a look to see what's going on. All right, we got some bad news. So it looks like the governor is actually losing oil. The governor, that's the prop governor. So, and now we're looking for replacing the whole thing. That's a scoop with airplanes, guys. Issues. All right, I had a good lunch here at the restaurant in Gwinnett, and also made a couple of calls. I called their aircraft spruce, and they don't have that particular part number. They have about a 4-week special order kind of thing. And then I called Aviol. They're all both local companies here in the Atlanta area, and they don't have that either. I'm in Lawrenceville, found a hotel, spending the night. Tomorrow is another day. The part will come in by like 10:30 in the morning. And hopefully they'll be able to install it pretty quickly, and I'll be on my way. Otherwise, I'll have to take the airlines and go to Chicago, pick up a car from there, drive into Oshkosh. The part came in at 9 a.m. and these guys are working on it, and just picked up my stuff and going back to the airport. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. We'll see how it goes there, and hopefully I can depart early. So guys, this is the problem, see? That's the problem area. That thing was rubbing against the baffling over years, probably 10 years. All this vibration, it killed it. And it made a nice little crack on the casing. Forrest right here is my man. He fixed it all. Thanks, man. You're the man. And here's a new one. It was just installed. And Forrest did an amazing job of nice little technique there to actually install a wire that pulls back the baffling enough so it's not rubbing against the governor. So hey guys, I'm here with Forrest. Thanks buddy, you're the man. He fixed it up, so let's see. One thing we're gonna have to see is how the starter is gonna work out. We only lost 1 quart of oil, so we're gonna have to replenish that, but it wasn't that much of oil, you know. So, all right, let's start it up. All right, clear prop. Let's see.
So what do you recommend for us? About 1700 RPM or something?
That should be fine.
Yeah, just to see.
Enough to get the oil pressure up good.
Alright, oil pressure 58 is right on the edge right there. Temperature's coming up.
Maybe even actuate the prop a few times.
Yeah. I have no direct control of the prop, so all I can do is just RPM up and down. Make sure that it's working. Looks normal to me. Alright, let's go back.
The only drip over there is that's the air conditioning. That's just water. All right guys, we're ready to get out of here. I had a quick lunch next door, and now we're gonna do a VFR rounds over the circle over the airport in case we need to come back and land, and then we'll pick up our IFR clearance and get out of here.
Gwinnett ground, good afternoon, Series November 712 Romeo Alpha, information Papa at Jet Center. We'll I don't want to pick up my IFR clearance, but I'd like to taxi in order to do a couple of runs over the field just to test something, and then we'll pick up the clearance in the air.
12 Romeo Alpha, rank ground, runway 25, turn right on whiskey, and be back with you on clearance momentarily.
Oil pressure is good, temperature is good, a little too high RPM. Oh man. 470. A little bit too high RPM when I go full throttle. Yeah, because just about 2710. And tower to Romeo Alpha is ready.
Romeo Alpha, you can turn that base, and then I'll get your release on your upwind.
Okay, to Romeo Alpha.
2 Romeo Alpha, contact Atlanta departure, have a safe flight.
Alright, thank you sir. Over to departure. Good day. Turn out. Wickingham Tower, good evening, Sears November 712 Romeo Alpha is 16 miles south-southeast of the field, on the shoreline 2400 with Juliet in full stop.
Number 712 Romeo Alpha, Waukegan Tower, report 5 miles south of Waukegan.
We'll report 5 miles south of Wickingham to Romeo Alpha.
There's 2 Romeo Alpha, runway 5 clear to land.
Runway 5 clear to land to Romeo Alpha.